Hello everybody, we're going to do a repair report today for John in Illinois, repair / tune-up report. We put in 4 new 2879 finals, and this is our end result. Okay John, here's the inside of the amplifier that you wanted to see, with the HC pills all installed in there. Looks nice, looks factory, except we didn't color them black. Alright. Go back. Okay, so the amplifier switch that we have in the back is turned off. Power's turned all the way down, and we're in AM. Let's check it out over here. Alright, 10 watts on the top scale, about a half a watt all the way down, 3.5 all the way up. Peak power on this 50 watt peak reading, there's 20 right there. Audio. Oops. Bird mode. Audio. 24, 25. And on sideband. Audio. Check. Audio. Audio. 16. Okay, I'm going to go back to AM again. I'm going to turn the power all the way down, but this time I'm going to turn the amplifier switch on. You see that 10 watt scale is going to be all the way. So we'll put it on a 100 watt scale now. So 10 will be that number 1, and 100's all the way over. Here's the 10, and I'll turn it all the way up to 100. Okay. Now this one, we gotta take that out and put in a 500 slug. So we have 2, 3, 4 right there. Audio, check. Audio. And on sideband, audio, check. Audio, check. Audio. And the AM, I forgot to show you. Audio, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. I think that covers them all, right? I think we got to everything, and well, the echo and all this other stuff, this was on the radio before. We just did a amplifier repair, so there you go. Oops.